So, today I have for you guys, I know it's been a while since I've been back, but I've been working a lot. But here I have a level 6 Marine Tessi lock. Level 6. And here's the key. You see the bit in there? And very satisfying sound, I will say. And now let's see how level 6
or something, but this lady was just awful.
Sorry. Go, sorry. So I'm going to be using the Dansville Lover's Rake number 5. There we go. I've opened it with that one many times. It's an easy open. So it's a marine padlock, solid steel. I think it's brass internals, but the pins I know for a fact are brass, I think. Yeah, it looks brass to me. So, there you go, Tessi marine padlock. It's a nice looking padlock. Very nice lock, I will say that. Very nice. There's another lock I have here, just another Tessi one. This is a level 5 Tessi padlock with a long shackled padlock. Exactly. I have to go find keys. This is a level 5. And there's the key. As you can see, not too bad. The Tessi T10. And the other one was the Tessi T57. So I'm going to show you the first way I'm going to open this. I'm going to move this up right away. And I have some which got shims. I just gotta bring it over the camera so you can see it better. There we go. There's one. There's two. So it's in. Here's my and boom. There we go. Open. I'm gonna show it on camera again. Gotta kind of put off camera a little bit. So that one's in. And there we go. So very easy to open that way. So let's see if it'll be this way. Again, using the number 5 Polaris rig. I'll try a 4 rig. I'll pull out a 6. Let's see how that works. There we go. There we go. I'll show that again. There we go. Takes a little bit of skill, a little bit of patience as well. But here you go. Easy enough to open. Not the most secure lock on the road, but it works. It's got a nice bit of weight to it, I will say that. It is a hardened shackle. So 5 brass Tessi. Not bad. Hope you enjoyed the video. Tessi. And there's the Tessi. I do have a couple more Tessi locks, and I'll make a few other videos of the Tessi locks that I have. I will have fun picking them. So enjoy.